So, Krishna, in the previous class, we were discussing about slicer concept. So, what is the use of slicers and how can we synchronize these slicers and all? Okay, so it's a very important topic. Today, we will discuss something about called as conditional formatting. What is this conditional formatting all about?
Okay.
So, let me take your first report only. So, let me get into your page 2. Let me analyze sales in the form of table. Let me analyze my sales. Let me take my tabular visualization. Let me analyze my sales with respect to city. Sales with respect to city. So where I have, let me remove this filter. Where I have a lot of data. So let me just put into some proper order. Okay. So this is a proper order. Big to small. That is a descending order actually. Okay. So basically this is my sales data in my table. Okay.
Okay.
So just it is in the descending order. Okay. The sales is in descending order. Now, basically, as a manager of the company or a CEO of the company, as soon as I see this data, with help of color coding, okay, with help of color coding, I must be able to see that these cities are performing well, these cities are performing in the average mode, these cities are not performing well just by seeing the color coding, because I don't have time to, view the sales number and take the decisions. Okay, so what I can do, I can use something called as conditional formatting. So, okay, so uh, just what I can do, just I want to put a condition, I want to format this sum of sales here. So what I'll do in the columns, when you select this visualization, here you can see something called as columns. So put a cursor on your column called sum of sales, click on right click, then we get something called as conditional formatting. Okay, click on background color. So we are applying some formatting options based on certain conditions. Okay, click on background color. Now, when you click on background color, so basically these are all by default values. Okay, we do not change all these things. We are interested in minimum and maximum. See, what for minimum sales, we can choose one color. So minimum, that is very least case, it's in danger basically. So I can show red color, and maximum sales I can change to yellow color. I can change to yellow color. Okay, fine. So or still better, let me change to blue color for maximum sales. This is very good. Now, basically, if you want a middle sales, okay, for example, you want see the average sales, which is in between your minimum and maximum value, just you can select this, add a middle color. So your middle color will be like this yellow color. So when the sales, the cities which are performing very less, so those cities, those sales will be marked as a red color. As soon as I see red color, I can say that these sales are not performing well, these cities are not performing well. As soon as I see yellow color, I can say that these cities are performing as an average mode. As soon as I see thick blue color, these cities are performing best regarding the sales. So like this, I can apply certain coloring format based on certain conditions, and I can easily visualize my data within fraction of seconds. So click OK. Now see here. So this is your, let me zoom. Okay, so if you go down, completely go down, all these are red color. That is, so these are not performing well actually. Okay, fine. All these are red color. These cities are not performing well. Okay, as you go up, you can observe there is a slightly there will be change in the color. The red color is getting converted to the yellow color. That is average sales. Okay, the red color. See here, yellow color. This is yellow color. Okay,
Yes.
these cities are performing yellow, average, and so then Los Angeles is performing the top. So top sales. Los Angeles is performing top, thick blue color. So like
Mhm.
this, I can format my data based on the condition. Okay, so even I can just again right click on condition formatting, background color. If you want to remove the condition formatting, click on remove the condition formatting, it gets disappeared. Remove all, remove background, it gets disappeared. Again, if you want to apply, click on conditional formatting, background color. So now I can apply something again red. Okay, so this is my sky blue. Okay, let me add a middle color. Okay, now see, if you want to enter a value, basically you can just add a custom value. So minimum sales is so basically you should have a data of the sales before doing this. What is your minimum sales? What is the maximum sales and all? Okay, so
Mhm.
basically you can set some range. For example, 100. Okay, this is a R1. Okay, this is the minimum sale. Okay, what is the custom middle value? It is like so if you see the maximum sales is around 30,000, 3 lakh, around 3 lakh, 2,000. Okay, like this. So I will take it as 1 lakh 50,000, and highest value is 3 lakh 50,000. 3 lakh 50,000. So like this also I can do the conditional formatting by putting some values, assigning some values. Click OK. Now, so this is a beautiful conditional formatting what you got. Now manually I'm arranging basically. Okay, manually I'm
Mhm.
doing this because here it is very near actually to maximum. It is showing it as a blue color. Okay, so all these are, it is middle and low color actually. It is a very thick. Okay,
Mhm.
so this is how I can do the conditional formatting. A very very important concepts. Okay, for your visualizations of the data. So now, uh, let us discuss the disadvantage of this as we discussed. Because however we are discussing about the table or visualizations, let us finish the concept of paginated reports today. So
Mhm.
now, as we discussed, I want to completely print this data. See, this is a very big table actually, very vast table. Where if I want to print this data, uh, 1 minute, whatever that is, your the first row is Los Angeles, last row is boys. Only this will be printed actually. Other data will not be printed on the sheet. That is a disadvantage of your normal reports. So how to come out of this? We need to create something called as paginated reports. Okay. So where
Mhm.
you can what you call print this data, complete data in a different pages. The name itself suggests paginated. Paginated means the data gets fitted to the page onto the page. It can be easily converted into printable format. So that
Mhm.
all, so for example, if this complete data is occupying some 100 pages, it gets fitted in the 100 pages. So that each and every data is available for us to print. Fine, that is nothing but your paginated reports. Nothing but your paginated reports. What I'll do to get your paginated reports, okay, so we need to get into something called as Power BI report builder. See, let me publish this first. Let me publish this. Okay, click on save my workspace. Select, replace. So let me get into this. So this is your report. Okay. So basically this is your published data. Now
Mhm.
let me get into workspaces and create your workspace. Click on new workspace. So far we are storing all the data into default workspace called my workspace. Let me create your new workspace. Click on new workspace. Click on new workspace. Krishna Rama. So if you have any image, you can upload here. Okay, click on upload. So a new workspace has been created for you where you can create n number of things here. Okay, fine. So we can create a report. Okay, our paginated report, dashboard. We can even create a semantic model, that is your data set. Okay, all these things. Okay, in the cloud itself, will not depend upon your desktop. Fine. So mostly in the
Okay.
real 99% you'll be working on your cloud only. So
Oh,
you don't
nice.
always depend on your desktop. But however, if you depend on the desktop, one or two elements I can add to the desktop, I can publish, I can start editing in the report. For example, so this is my report which I published from the desktop. Now I want to edit it. So what I will do, click on edit. As soon as I click on edit, see here, automatically the Power BI cloud, service cloud, look and feel has been changed completely to the desktop. Yes or no? How the desktop looks like. Similarly, your Power BI cloud also looks like this. Now you can basically what you call the insert some donut chart, okay, and analyze your sales, with
Mhm.
respect to some region, with respect to some region. Okay, so and you even you can save, but see whenever you save, this is limited to your cloud only. Your
Mhm.
stakeholders can access this donut chart with other visualizations, but it is not updated in your desktop. It is not updated in your desktop. Okay, because there is no connection now between the cloud and the desktop. Fine. So
Mhm.
but whatever updations you do to the desktop when you publish, it got uploaded to the cloud. It got uploaded to the cloud. So we'll discuss more and more. So regarding this, when we are discussing about your model. So now, so let us discuss something about paginated reports. So how can we create a paginated reports? Today, just we need to download something called as uh, the Power BI report builder. So how can I download? Just you can click on download. Here you have paginated report builder. Here also this is one of the way. Okay, so when you click on this, it directly get into the download. Already I downloaded it actually. So okay, so this is the okay. Already I downloaded report builder. It's there in my system. Okay, so again it is downloading. Power BI report builder. Fine. So what I can do, so you can download and you can install in your system automatically. When you do that, what happens? Okay, so you can go to your store, Microsoft Store. Okay, how you open your Power BI desktop the same way you can open your Power BI report builder. The Power BI report builder is a separate component. Okay, to create Power BI report builder. Yeah, report builder. Okay, it is used to create paginated reports, complex reports basically. Okay, so Pure PI Report Builder is a tool for authorizing page-related reports and publishing them to the Power BI service. See how you create a report in your desktop, a simple report in your desktop. Similarly, you can create a complex page-related report. Okay, so in your Power BI Report Builder, how you publish the reports from your desktop to the Power BI Service Cloud. Similarly, here also we publish, these page-related reports to the Service Cloud. But only one difference is here. 1 minute. So the only one difference is whenever you are publishing a report, whenever you're publishing a report from your desktop, okay, so to the cloud, you save in normal workspace. So it is a normal workspace. Okay. So but whenever you save your report builder, paginated report to your cloud, you save in something called as premium workspace. This is the only difference. So generally, these page-related reports will not be stored in the normal workspace, but it will be stored in the premium workspace. If you want to store your page-related reports, whatever the Krishnadama workspace you created, you should convert that into premium workspace. I'll let you know how to convert that into premium workspace. Okay. So once I started publishing, so already I have installed your Power BI report builder. There is a reason it is asking me to open. Otherwise, it will ask me to install. So click on open. Okay. So the 99% page-related reports are handled basically whenever we require the what you call tabular visualizations. 99%, it will be used for only tabular visualizations because other visualizations get fitted onto the page very easily. But these tabular visualizations or matrix wizard, they won't get fitted onto the page very easily. There is a reason why, apart from chart and map visualizations or blank report, we'll be using your page-related reports only for the tabular visualization. So click on table, select this table. So it is asking you to create a data set. So what data set you want? Just click on next. Okay. So click on new. Click on new. Okay. So click on, see, just name the data source as a order. Basically, orders data set. Orders data set. So by default is a Microsoft SQL Server connection type, but I want to see, already I published the Krishna report, first report into your Power BI service. So whenever I publish, so let me get into your Power BI service before. So this is your Power BI service. So already I published this report. Okay, Krishna first report. Let me get into the workspace. My workspace. So let me search for that. Krishna first report. So this is the Krishna first report. So whenever we publish something, publish a report from your desktop, as I told you, not only this report get extracted, along with the data set also get extracted. This data set is called as a semantic model in your cloud. Semantic model in your cloud. Okay, fine. So this is nothing but semantic model. Now we are going to connect the semantic model from your report builder. So from report builder, I'm connecting. I'm trying to connect your report builder to the semantic model. So obviously I'll choose what type of connection. Power BI semantic model connection, because Power BI semantic model is a cloud. So where my data set is there, Krishna
Yes.
data set is there. So click on build. So it is directly to the workspace. It's connected to the Power BI service. It's connected to the Power BI service. So in the my workspace, so I'm in the my workspace. See, already my workspace is the premium workspace. Okay. Even your Krishna Dharma workspace is a premium workspace. See, here already it's a premium. See, what is the difference between premium and you will find something called
Diamond.
diamond symbol. Whenever
Okay.
you find diamond symbol, it's a premium workspace. If you don't have diamond symbol, it is not a premium workspace. I'll let you know how to create this premium. By default, it's
Okay.
premium. You have to convert it to the premium. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now let me search your data set. This is your data set. Okay, Krishna data set. Krishna first report. Select it. Click on select. Click on select. Now click on test connection. If the connection is successful, then everything is successful. Yeah, the connection is created successfully done. Click on OK.
Mm-hmm.
Now again put on text connection. Again text connection. It is OK. Correct. Now click on next. Click on next. So this is the process of connecting your report builder, Power BI report builder to the semantic model,
Mm-hmm.
go to the cloud. So basically, I want to replicate the same table here. That is the reason why I'm connected to the data set. So now I want to build the same table from the orders. If you have orders, okay, what I have. So basically, in the orders, basically, I'm visualizing my sales. This is my sales. Okay, just I will drag and drop my sales. Okay, sales with respect to city. Okay, just drag
Okay.
and drop city. Now, whenever you find, see, whenever when you're dragging, when you should drop actually. So when dragged, I'm able to see the until I see the blue color. Until I see the blue color, I should not drop. Okay.
Okay.
So when I see the blue color, next to sales you should drop. So I'm releasing my cursor now. See here, it gets selected as a column basically. Now sales is one column, city is one column, which is representing uh, your data in your Power BI like this. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm creating a table, very simple. Right? Now click here to execute the query. What happens when you click here? A SQL query, SQL is nothing but structured query language. It's a programming language. Internally, as I told, these are all in data science. These are all no-code tools. You do not worry about the coding, but you should know what is SQL and all. The future classes I will explain you.
Okay.
SQL query gets executed over this database and it extract the data. So just click on execute. Click on execute. So here it extracted the data. Okay, fine. So this is the data what it has extracted. The same data. Okay, fine. Now click on next. Click on next. The same table I'm creating in a report builder. That's it. Okay, because I have disadvantages in my desktop and cloud. So
Mm-hmm.
where my report builder is going to solve my purpose. Okay. So now, see basically, I want to group. Basically, sales is a values basically. So just it's a numerics. Just put into the values. Put city your column or row group, or just I'll put in the row group. Anyone. So click on next. Click on next. Okay. Now like this, you'll get the data basically. Okay. So this is your sales. This is your city. Okay. So this is the structure of your see whatever the brackets you are getting. These are all the data values, and these are the top is the column names. So you have a city, you have a sales. Okay. So like this, you can put it to. So click on next. Okay. Click on. This is how your table looks like. Click on next. Click on finish. Now get into your Power BI report builder. This is your structure of the table. Okay. You can add the column. You can add the column name. So sales of city. Sales of cities. I can just format this. I can add some coloring, bold. Okay, whichever I want, I can add. Right. So now what I'll do, then I create a table. Here you are able to see execution time. So if you want to add some page number and all, you're having some built-in functions. Just, you can just, you want to add language of, you can add a language also, just drag and drop here. Okay, so 1 minute. So just you can add a language. Yeah, see here you are getting blue mark, just drop it. This is a language. Then you can page number also you can add, because it spans across different pages. You need the page number, right? Okay. So
Okay.
the page number, then you can just format this properly. These are formatting options basically. Okay. Now we are designing the paginated page. This is called designing phase. Now what I do, let me execute this. How can I just, you are able to see run button here. Click on run. When you click on run, okay, then click on print layout. 1 minute. Don't touch anything till it gets, now it is okay. Now you got the output. Now print on, just you need to select which print layout. Just click on print layout. Okay. Now this is the way you get the report actually. This is the way you get the report. You are able to see, English, this is execution type. Okay, so you are not able to see the page numbers. Now see here, there are 39 pages for this report. Very complex.
Okay.
39 pages. Page number 2, page number 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. It gets padded. Over that
Oh.
is the complete data. You are able to get the complete data. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is how we are able to get the complete data. That is the reason why it is called as paginated reports. Now
But
you
we
are,
are not getting sales.
yeah, so it's not getting sales because you need to change the format basically.
Mm-hmm.
So now, so I want to get into design mode again. So again, I want to go back and do some changes. Okay, just click on design. You go by design. So why sales is not getting printed actually? So just we need to look into. Okay, so just let me what you call take this call here. Okay, so just you need to format the options. Nothing other than that. In the middle. So let me run now. So we're not getting sales. Yeah. There is some issue here. Why I couldn't print the sales? Oh, put a city again. Can I print a city here? This is our issue. Basically, you are able to get the data whenever you execute the query, but it is not able to print here. Yeah, 1 minute. I came to know that. Now you will get. Okay. Hope
Okay.
right. See what
Successful.
I did basically. This is the printing here. Previously, we did selected sales here. Okay, so that is because basically it is considered this cell has to be printed actually. So it is we need to give the parameter of sales here in this cell. Okay, so that it gets printed. Basically, it is a, for example, if you delete this, if you run this, you won't get the data. Okay, so here Instead of rather than here, let me select the sales here. Now you'll get the data. Okay. But still I'm not getting the page numbers. Why? But page number is there, is already. I'm getting English. Let me put near to this. One. Okay, let me export this to the. So what I can do, I can export this, click on export to the PDF. Let me see whether page numbers will get or not. Now see here, when you are saving this, it is a PDF. Krishna Paginated Report PDF. So it is saved as a PDF. Let me see, you are able to get numbers here. I'm not able to print page number. Let us investigate why. So hope you understood, right? Okay, so the complete report has been fitted to around 32 pages. That is the reason why it is called as paginated reports. It's called as paginated reports, right? So now I can take the printout and or I can share to any one of the stakeholders. This we couldn't achieve in your normal reports, yes or no? Because in your normal reports, only the first design you are able to get it, but you are not able to get the complete details. Okay, let me see why you are not able to print the page number. Page name. Okay, so it's not a number actually. Page name. We don't have any page name. That is the reason why it is not the page number we need. Okay.
Okay.
So just drag and drop. Now you'll get page number. Okay. Now click on run. Now you are getting page number. See here.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. All this. Fine. So now let me save this basically. So when I click on save, you are able to see the save button. They click on save. See the it's nothing but RDL. What is that? Report definition language. This file is so Krishna paginated report RDL. Okay. So it's nothing but your RDL. Okay. RDL is nothing but report definition language. Whenever you find extension of RDL, it is a page related report. Whenever you find extension of .pbix, it is a desktop file,
Okay.
desktop instance. This is how we need to differentiate the files of different components actually. Right. So this is nothing but your paginated reports. Now, so before publishing, so now we see we created, we designed and developed and executed successfully paginated report, but we need to publish it. So it is only accessible to me or you as a data scientist, but it should be accessible for your stakeholders. Again, you need to publish this to your cloud, service cloud. So the same thing, how you use your desktop, how you publish your desktop to the cloud, here also will publish. But thing is that you need to publish this in a premium cloud basically. So how can, let me get into your cloud. How can I convert? So let me go to workspace. So basically go to your Krishna Dama workspace. Okay. So basically, how can I convert? So just click on work settings. How can I convert this to premium workspace? So just click on license info. Okay. So license the trial, it is a click on general here. There's 1 minute. Click on workspaces. Here, workspace settings. The same thing we are getting. Uh, so there's a process to convert this into premium workspace actually. Okay, so system storage, network security, Power BI, data connections, factory, no? Success. Suppose see you got struck like this. See, you are not able to get the solution, right? So now I need a help, right? How to convert this what you called workspace to premium workspaces. Okay, fine. So I need a help basically. So I can go to Microsoft. Okay, Power BI or directly I can get into a desktop, go to help, go to documentation. So click on the topic, premium workspace. Roles in workspace and okay, premium workspace, workspaces where or create reports, create and manage. So basically, you can find here how to create your premium workspaces. Workspace info, create workspace optionals. So you can find the documentation here. No problem. Right. So basically here only option will be there. So let us see why I'm not able to get. Yeah. See, basically very simple. So you need to get into license info. Okay. So if you want to convert this into premium workspace, okay, click on license info, click on this edit, click on edit. So select it as premium pre-user. Select it as premium. Now you are in a trial actually. So you need to select it as premium pre-user. When you select it as premium pre-user, okay. So just I want a small semantic storage format. Click on select license. Okay. So only people who have premium user license will able to access premium user. You can continue. Okay. So that's it. It has been successfully changed. Now see here in the diamond symbol below you are having the premium user symbol. Okay, now this is your premium workspace. It is your premium workspace. Now Krishna is a premium workspace where I can publish your paginated reports. Now I'll get into your paginated report. Now just click on publish. Click on publish. Right? Now it is connected to the cloud. It's connected to the cloud. Now this is here. There is a difference between my workspace is a normal workspace. Okay, so this is nothing but your premium workspace basically for user content. Okay, right? So basically, this is also premium, but this is a special than that actually. So just select this Krishna Dama. Now enter your type Krishna page native report. Publish. So it gets published basically. So success. So you can get into this Power Query data source sharing or open. You want to open this page native report in Power BI. No, I don't want to open. Just click OK. Now I'll just get into your, so just I'll refresh. Get refresh. So see here, this is a page native report. Now, what is the difference between paginated report? How can you see when you get into your workspace? When you just I'll get into my workspace, there are a lot of reports. How can you identify what is a normal report, which is a paginated report, which is the dashboard, which is a data set with the help of your icons? So see here, this is nothing but a bar chart is there, right? Okay, this is the normal report. It's a normal report. Suppose if you see a report like this, I'll show you. Now let me get into your Krishna workspace. So if this is a report, see here, you are having dash dash dash. This is nothing but a paginated reports. It's nothing but your tabular reports, basically. Okay, this is a symbol of your paginated reports. Suppose if you see the bar chart, it is a normal report. Okay, but if you see like this, it's a paginated report. Now, let me get into your my workspace. Suppose if you see something called as meter symbol, see here, it's a meter symbol is there. It's a meter symbol.
Okay. Mhm.
Meter symbol. So previously it was a green color. Now they changed it as a yellow color or golden color. So it's nothing but dashboard. It is nothing but a dashboard. Now you are able to
Oh,
see 5 dots. First 3 dots, then 2 dots. It's a semantic model data set stored in the cloud. Data set
okay.
stored in the cloud. Now if you are able to see something called as uh, let me show. Okay, I'll go. If you are able to see like this, you know, dot 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 with the
Right.
Wi-Fi symbol. Wi-Fi symbol. It is a streaming data set. What is the streaming data set? It's a live data set basically. It's a live data set. Basically, these data models will get the data from outside. For example, you can integrate this to your Facebook ads, or you can integrate to your Google ads, your landing page. Okay, you can integrate to your forms, Google Forms. Okay, where the outside public, if they are entering the data, all the data will be collected to this streaming data set. Okay, so like this, different symbols you have, not to identify different objects what you create in your Power BI.
Well,
Okay,
yeah.
on more options. These are all different. These are all see lake house and all. These are all fabric data factory. See data science. Data science will discuss machine learning in the next coming chapters actually. So fabric. So when we're discussing about fabric, we discuss about lake house and all. Okay, fabric is a very recently they have released fabric in the month of February 2024. Okay, so all these are all these we'll get into. See, basically, Power BI is a very powerful tool. The name itself is telling it's a Power BI.
Mhm.
Till even when you are learning about deep learning, generative AI, machine learning, everywhere you'll be using your Power BI because it's a tool integration tool basically, where you'll be use learning models to predict outcomes and detect anomalies in data. Basically, you will also use this machine learning models. Okay, you will also use generative AI models. Okay, you will connect to cloud. So even I'll take you the classes on cloud computing. What is Azure? What is GCP? Okay, we'll discuss
Oh,
on data analytics in GCP. There are separate concepts on how to analyze the data with the help of GCP technique, Google Cloud Computing. Okay, all these
mhm.
are very when you start talking about your interview, 100% no one can reject you. Okay,
Okay.
so
So,
this is how.
uh, the difference between Tableau and Power BI, what is the difference? Actually, some of the companies using Tableau.
Both are same. Difference is
Both
like
are same.
Maruti and BMW. Power BI is like
Oh,
BMW.
okay.
Power W is a Maruti, very old car. That's it.
Okay.
Power BI,
Functions are same, no? So just user interface and everything would be.
everything is same.
Yeah, yeah.
User
Okay.
interface may be different. Car user interface may be different. Okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the concept is same.
Concept. Okay.
Difference between because see, some see what do you call it? It's an old tool actually. Tableau is
Yes.
an old tool. Okay. Power BI
Mm-hmm.
is a very new tool and it's a very powerful tool actually. Occupied the complete market actually. 2011 they have
Yes.
reached the Power BI.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So occupied by the complete market. Okay. So see, I request not to get into these institutions. As I told you,
Mm-hmm.
they're all content writers. See, even we have a content writers. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but never we encourage our students to go through these contents of separate institutions. Udemy is somewhat better, see, but Udemy, what happens? Even I can also publish something courses in Udemy.
Right.
There is no quality checks. Okay, so we have doubt on the data what they are training on you. Okay, all these
Mm.
companies, should be bit careful, right?
Okay.
So this is bit okay. I think this is okay. Like there's a blog coupler dot I
Mm.
think even Scalar also same thing they follow. Okay, Gartner. Yeah, Gartner is the best. It's one of the
Mm-hmm.
best. See, these are one of the best articles where you need to read all these articles. So Power BI, Tableau, fine.
Mm-hmm.
4%
Okay.
recommended, 82% recommended. See what happens. Tableau is a old tool. Many people were using previously.
Yes.
All of a sudden, what you call Fabric is occupying the market. Okay, so now most of the Tableau people who are into Tableau, they are switching into Power BI because it is saturated actually. Unless
Mhm.
even Power BI also going to be saturated soon because of Fabric. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, unless until you equip with Fabric, it's difficult again. Okay, so basically this is a complete difference. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
what they use, how they can remaining and all same. Even we have n number of tools. Okay, so
Okay.
like this, Power BI is a predominant tool. See, what
Mm-hmm.
quick sense we have. Okay, so we have SAP Business Objects, the BI suite. Okay, so a number of things are there, right? Just you can go
Yes. Okay.
from Gartner.
Okay. The purpose is same, only the tools are
Yeah, yeah,
different.
yeah. Both cards are same. Engine,
Mm-hmm.
all these things are different.
Yeah.
Okay, so even you have a Tableau website. Tableau, Tableau, same thing. Tableau. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Still you have a number of opportunities in Tableau also. It's good. We will introduce you Tableau also, so not
Mm-hmm.
an issue.
Okay.
But basically, if you ask me, just if you know, just you should put in your resume that I know Tableau. But
Ah, yes.
to
Okay.
express a Tableau because it is a very old technology.
Mm.
No one is using now. Yeah,
Okay.
they are using, but mostly they are using for Power BI. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but
But in our organization, so still they are using Tableau.
yeah, yeah, they
So
are
that
using.
is. Mm.
See, that is previously. See, uh, I'm using Excel in after 3 years. Before 3 years, I'm using Excel. Now I'm
Mm.
not using Excel. I'm using another tool, very new software tool. Okay,
Mm.
because of I'm using AI tool. Okay, so because of Advent, so I don't have
Okay.
other option. What do you call? Previously, I used to store my data in Excel. Now I'm storing in OneDrive. I'm storing in what do you call Google Drive. Yes, at that time, Google Drive was not there. So obviously,
Okay.
all things will be preserved like that only.
Yes.
Even
Okay.
there are jobs on IBM mainframes. IBM mainframes is a very old technology. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
There are jobs because there are very old projects and all. There won't be any growth in that actually.
Okay.
Yeah, even I have a students from Tableau background also. They are
Mm-hmm.
also attending Power BI classes, data science classes. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
there is no growth. There is no many
Right.
people are there in Tableau. Yeah. Okay,
Got it.
but however, I'll introduce you to Tableau also. As a data
Okay.
scientist, you should know what is Tableau also. Okay,
Okay.
so Tableau, SQL, Python,
Sure. Okay.
libraries, all these things will introduce you. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Fine, Krishna. So today we
Yeah.
have discussed about your paginated reports and
Mm-hmm.
we have discussed about your condition formatting.
Conditional format.
So I request you to
So
do hands-on because
sure.
after you finish your Power BI, I will ask you to take PL 300 examination certification, which is
Okay.
very important. Okay, as a data scientist, you must have some certifications like this. So PL 300 certification, this is very important actually, right?
Okay.
So where Microsoft will organize one exam for you. Okay, this is a
Mm-hmm.
material basically. Basically, if you attend my classes, you can easily clear. Okay,
Okay.
so but however, this is a Bible for your PL theory examination. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just I'll share in the chat window. You can start
Sure.
looking from now itself. So as soon as you finish Power BI, within a week you can brush up and we can clear the certification.
Okay.
So you will get certificate from Microsoft itself directly.
Okay. Great.
We have PL 600 itself. It's a very advanced certification actually. See, basically, Power Platform Solution Architect. See, where you will we have discussed data models, right?
Yeah.
Okay, completely. It's a if you want to become expert in data models, you need to take this Power BI certifications. So basically, Power Platform is one of the Power Platform is one of the platform of your Microsoft, which has been integrated to Power BI basically. Okay, so Power
Mm-hmm.
Platform will discuss more about Power Platform when we are discussing about real-time dashboards. Okay, so
Mm.
basically, like if you want to operate high voltage above 300 volts, you should have one certification, right? So similarly, like this also, we have different data science applications. Okay. So, but
Okay.
as of now, no need all these things. PL 300 is more than enough.
Okay.
Fine, Krishna. See you tomorrow.
Sure. Sure, Ritwik. Thank you.
My timings. See, unless
Yeah.
I tell Samir, I'll tell to Samir, your timings will be 12 p.m. only.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
If there is any change, like 10:30, I'll let you know one day before.
Okay. Sure.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.